Alright, so the last few days we've noticed water building up in the bottom of the boat. And it's always been dirty, so dirty that you really couldn't even see down there from a old tank leak, old fuel tank leak that they had that's been fixed. Well, we got all the water out of it with the vacuum cleaner and everything today, and got the other bilge pump in there, and we started noticing the streams coming from the back. So we pulled the back floor up again. And we have some cracks in the fiberglass right below the rudder shaft. I meant the propeller shaft. Gonna have to haul the boat out to fix it. Alright, we'll keep y'all updated.